Ki khubor ki bebnia. Nongialam ka Liang Pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangmaulah Ther Tyngeh ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance apo ke Jingbymlah ke NPP ban khanglad ya ke Jingshalan tu bat ke jingti BA nyau doyong. Dr. Mukul Sangmaulah kedo bakat kum ke section Arpoi jong ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act ka kendai spaksan penyau ke kedo bakat dei ke kamram jong ke Sorkar ban kemi ya kum kini ki kam BA. Ulah berngemru balada ki bor pedi kemi kimla ban le AA ki dei ban shim jengit kli ba kimla ban pendap yalah ka kamram.
I think it is important for us to refresh ourselves with the responsibility that is vested upon the authorities pertaining to the issues of any illegal mining. Please remember that the Section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957 make it binding on the part of the government to take any issue of illegal coal mining cognizable. This is a cognizable offense. So when we say that this is a cognizable offense, that means the government or the authorities concerned who are vested with the responsibility have to take cognizance of any instances of such illegalities.